A very warm good morning to all. This is Kaladhar Gopal of class 10th, and today I am here with an interactive software Texto, which is actually a live text to speech converter. This is completely Python based project and all the details of this project are available on my website. So now let us go to our website. Just go to any browser. Here I am using Chrome, and then we will go to our website, that is kaladhargopal.wixsite.com/home. So as you will visit it, you will see something like this. Just scroll down to see this blog. So this is the blog, live text to speech converter modern GUI. Just click on it and you will be redirected to my blog. So this blog contains all the information about this project, and I have given all the information such as the making of this program, all the modules used in this program, and I have also given the instructions for users, those who want to install it with the help of the installer file, and also for those who want to customize the code and then use it with the help of terminal. So the source code is available on my GitHub repository, github.com/2005 kaladhar/texto. But for now, we will be installing this installer file. Just click on this link and you will be redirected to the Google Drive page. And from here, you can download this installer. So I have already installed it. I have already downloaded it. It is of about 50 MB. Here is our installer file, and just double click on it to install it in your machine. Same, you know it very well. And I will leave it checked because I want to create a desktop shortcut for it. Just click on next and then click on install, and it will install it within few seconds in your machine. And here you will also see a shortcut will appear. Here you can see a shortcut has appeared. So I will also leave it checked because I want to run it as I click the finish button. So it will run it for us. Just wait for a few seconds, and then a splash screen will come, and then the user interface file will come. Here is the splash screen, and then this UI file came, this user interface came. So this is the application, live text to speech converter. Here is the text box to write something. Let's write hello world, and then I will click this
hello world.
See, and now let's type something else. How are you, sir? And now and this time I want David to speak it for me. It has two voices, David and Zira. David is male voice, Zira is female voice, and these two voices come by default in your Windows machine. And for this time I want David to speak.
How are you, sir?
See, David spoke it for me, and I have used Pyside2 and PyQt5 library for designing this user interface file. And the thing I like the most about this library is that it allows you to customize each and everything. Like you can add images, you can add background images, you can customize the colors, even these small buttons. I have customized the title bar, these small buttons, close button, maximize button, minimize button. So it is just a flexible language. It is just a flexible library. As you can see, I can maximize it, I can minimize it. So now we will go to our GitHub repository and see how the code looks like. github.com/2005 Kaladhar. So this is my GitHub repository, and here you will find a public repository with the name Texto, and as you will click on it, you will see all the required files. To clone it in our computer, you must install Git in your computer, so you can just download it from here. And here is the link that we need to copy. So once you download the Git, it will also add it to your command line. So just go to your CMD, cd to your, and just type this command, git clone https://github.com/2005 kaladhar / the name of our repo, that is Texto. So it is now cloning into our directory. It is cloning our repository, and it has created a directory right here with the name Texto. And as you will open it, you will find all the required files for this program. And here you will find this UI file, this Python files containing the structure, this HTML file which contains all the classes, methods, attributes of this program, which is actually the API file for this text to speech converter. And to run it with the help of your command line, just click on this address bar and type cmd, and it will open up the command prompt in this directory. So to run it, you must install Python in your computer, and then to install the required libraries, you just need to type python -m pip install -r rext. So requirements.txt is actually this file right here which contains all the required libraries for this program. And here I've already installed this library, so it is showing me required already satisfied. So now let us clear our command line and just type python main.py, and it will just run the command, run the program for us. As you can see, this is the file. Now let us type something else. This is me once again for you. And this time I want David to speak it for me.
This is me once again for you.
So here, as you can see, this is the program. So thank you very much for giving me your time, for listening me. Jai Hind.